Hello, bald people. Just want to share with you an amazing product I found in the market. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I've been using this product for a month now, and I swear, kumapal ang buhok ko. Oops, wrong commercial. Product is Bald Boss by the Bald Brothers. This is a head care with apricot seed oil, face and scalp moisturizer. It protects, hydrates, vegan, no grease, matte, no shine, bald head moisturizer, and no fragrance. I've been searching for such product and finally I found it. I'm loving this product every day I use it. How convenient. Moisturizer for my face and scalp in just one product. And it did not disappoint. Works very well on my head and feels great for my face as well. No strong scents. It leaves my scalp and face moist and soft without being shiny. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy. Goodbye, dry skin flakes. For me, it's a 5 stars.